Hi guys, it's T, VanGo Warriors. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and like. Helps my channel grow. I am currently outside in VanGo. I am taking up the floor. It came with vinyl and I guess it's, you know, with the foam stuff that you do a carpet, and then you do the carpet on top of that. So that was on there, but I noticed the other day I lifted a corner and it was wet. So I decided that these vans are known for leaks, and that they come from the side here. Right here, it's the siding. It's that siding piece, and there's nothing there other than the metal and the grommets. So I'm gonna caulk around that and make sure that none of that leaks, because it would pull in the sides, and we don't want that, especially after I put the walls up. So I took that out. I want to dry it out. I'm gonna clean this up real good. I'm gonna keep the top part, vinyl part, because I'm gonna lay it out and cut and use it as a template to cut out the floor. I'll put like some maybe 1x2s here, and then I'll insulate in between. I'll do the floor first, and I think I'm going to do the ceiling next. Insulate it and then run some boards up. I'll do those two first, and then I'll start building my walls out. I still don't know what my build will be. I have an idea, but it's really not in stone, and I think that's probably going to change as time goes through. I'm very excited. I'm going to do it myself. I am not a carpenter. I'm not an electrician. The electrical part of everything. I'm going to do solar panels. I'm going to do a fan, obviously an AC, and I'm going to actually have somebody wire that. Excuse my voice. I am sick. But as far as the layout, I'm pretty sure there'll be a bed here. The kitchen may be here. Right here, right here, and then the bed might be here, the refrigerator here. I'm going to have a seat here, build out a little table here that folds out. This will be on a swivel to be able to turn around, and two people will be able to eat there. I haven't decided if the bed is actually going to be a whole bed, or if I'm going to do 2 benches and then have a pull out to kind of make like a full or a queen. I'm not sure yet about that part, but that's the general idea. I still have to do the swivel for the chairs and stuff. But before I do all that, I wanted to get that out and dry it out so no mold, builds up. And I'm going to take the van in for a little checkup just to make sure that everything's okay. Before I really spend time and everything, I'm going to try to do I have this because there was a wasp chasing me, and it was not cute, y'all, because y'all know I'm a voluptuous person, and I was not going to be running, but I will run from a wasp. Anyhow, that's why I have this. Anyhow, what I was going to say was I'm going to try to use everything. I'm not going to buy wood. I'm going to buy wood. I'm not going to steal it. But I'm going to try to have everything recycled. Most of everything recycled. The cabinets and stuff, I'm going to buy myself. And in order to keep down on the weight capacity for this van, which is only a 250, I'm going to try to do lightweight, build, very lightweight. I'm not sure if I'll have a gray water tank or not, but that's for running water. I'll have a portable toilet maybe, and that's just for the number 1, because 2 ain't got time for that up in here. Okay, come on now. And I will have like an induction, a 2-burner induction stove, and a pull-out Coleman for propane, that sort of thing. I'm also going to have the van wrapped partially, and I may do the wrap myself. I'm not sure. I have vinyl and I can do all that stuff, but we'll see how that goes. That's later. First, we got to get the baby checked up, make sure the baby's on point. I should have done that already, but no, life happens. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. Come on strong. Listen, if you can, please subscribe, like, and share. Turn on your notifications so you know when I come up in here with you guys. Until then, you guys stay blessed, keep it moving, and let's keep it doing what it's doing. Thank you for coming and checking me out. Have a good day. Bye.